Autool CS520 OBD2 is car code reader, automotive engine system scanner and error code diagnostic tool for universal vehicle. The CS520 scanner is used for real-time automotive diagnostics based on the OBD2 and CAN bus protocols. It provides full-featured scanning, including real-time data. The DTC definition is displayed on the LCD screen without cross-referencing the codebook. Languages: English, French, Russian, German, Spanish and traditional Chinese. Troubleshooter code tips guide technicians to the root cause of a trouble code faster, saving diagnosis and repair time. Retrieves vehicle information, VIN, CIN and CVN. Multilingual menu and DTC definitions. Internet updatable and upgradable. Automotive engine fault code reader. Bright color-coded LEDs and built-in speakers provide visual and audible tones for ready verification. Check general, P0, P2, P3 and U0, manufacturer-specific, P1, P3 and U1, codes and pending codes. Autool CS520 Autocode Scanner works on all 1996 and newer vehicles, OBDII and CAN, domestic and import. Features the unique patented One-Click Readiness Key for quick state emissions readiness check and drive cycle verification. The Autool CS520 OBDII (EOBD) scanner supports all 10 modes of OBDII test for a complete diagnosis. Featuring the One-Click I/M Readiness Key, TFT color display and built-in speaker. The Autool CS520 is truly the ultimate in power and affordability, allowing users to do their jobs faster.